Many individuals, especially females, go to salons to dye their hair to their desired color. Dyeing one's hair promotes an individual's self-confidence, fit in with a certain lifestyle that they choose, or simply is an extension of their personality. Most hair dyes used in salons contains chemical substances such as hydrogen peroxide that affects the hair negatively. Dyeing your hair causes countless side effects. It can cause scalp and hairline irritation, damage of the hair cuticle, which can result in breakage, split ends, frizz, and even hair loss. Oxidative dyes are more permanent than ordinary dyes. This implies they induce oxidative stress for your hair. This means it causes a chemical reaction in the hair cortex that results in the new hair color, and this can make your hair look older and contribute to hair loss. Hair cuticle damage that breaks off can also result in hair loss. Because of these observed side effects of using hair dyes, the researchers thought of a solution of creating an alternative for the hair dyes that contain harmful chemical properties. Here comes the Kamantigue hair dye. It is an organic hair dye using the extract of Kamantigue or Impatiens balsamina leaves. The researchers gathered information about the plant and came up with an idea to use it to make an alternative for synthetic dyes.
Naturally, other common ingredients or excipients may be used in the dye composition of the invention, including thickening agents, surface active agents, antioxidants, fragrances, buffers or pH modifiers, hair treating agents, and preservation agents.
Organic dyes are collected from nature and no need to apply manufacturing process to prepare them. These dyes are easily decomposed in nature after using, and they do not pollute the environment while destroying them after end use. Using this organic dye will lessen the health risks.